All right, guys, today it is the day. It is finally here. It's actually Wednesday evening. I'm about to head over to Daytona finally. Was gonna go over in the morning on Thursday, but got some stuff clear, so about to head over right now. So, finally got everything packed up. Let's get this show on the road. Bye, TJ. I'm going to miss you. Keep the house safe. Let's go, girl. All right, did it. Finally on the road. Bring on Daytona. Rolling out of Orlando right before sunset. So hopefully I should be there by, 8:30. See you guys at the beach. Get this party started, brah. Traffic's a little worse than expected. Let's take that express lane. Here we come, Daytona 1. Nobody. Let's go. We made it. First event is at the track. Here we go. Already interesting sights and sounds. Look, it's Mark. All right, I am deaf already, but it's a good time. We're kicking off the party here at the track. Do you even have any speakers? Leave some speakers for the rest of us. Not sure what's going on here. I've never seen this many speakers. What the hell is going on here? This is happening. That is just a lot of fun. What we got going on over here? Already got muddy. Guess at the trail ride. All right, that was enough lights. Meeting up with the crew up at Hooligan next to the track.
What up, what up, what up?
The world famous beach sign. There is literally a line of people taking their photos underneath it. That is hilarious. Oh yeah. And the best part is, there's the Jeep. The last spot. It fit. It's in the lines. Leave me alone.